out of the video. God. Everything's over here. So like right now. Lucky the camera. Go ahead, you already ruined it.
Yeah, go.
Go.
Bro, what are you doing?
Oh, we're gonna start again then. All right. You guys don't want to come down here because you guys are all in the shot.
Yeah. See? That's what I was trying to do. No, you weren't. Stop. Because I'm talking shit. Stop lying to yourself. Oh, what the hell? George. God damn it. The scale rig.
The scale rig? You rolled it already, dude? Come on.
Yeah, I rolled it.
You know, it's funny they recorded all that.